Lawidie.com is presented as an online shopping website offering various products at attractive prices and frequent discounts. The deals may look tempting, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, a relatively unknown online store isn't automatically a scam. But when you're dealing with a retailer that doesn't have the same track record as a major shopping platform, you should do a little more research before paying. What it does well: competitive pricing. Discounts and promotional offers can make the products appear cheaper than those from larger retailers. Wide product selection. The site may offer products across multiple categories, giving shoppers plenty of options. Where the hype falls apart, product quality is uncertain. Photos and descriptions don't always tell you what the actual materials, construction, or finish will be like. Shipping can take longer than expected. If products are sourced internationally, delivery times may be considerably longer than shoppers anticipate. Returns can be complicated. Always check where returns have to be sent, who pays for return shipping, and how refunds are handled. So, should you buy from lawidie.com? Short answer: proceed cautiously. If you find something you really want, verify the retailer's contact information, payment protections, shipping terms, and return policy before ordering. And consider using a payment method that gives you dispute protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.